Are you ready to witness one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles on your own terms? Join us on a personalized journey from Burlington to Niagara Falls, where the view is only part of the adventure. Our private tour for up to 4 guests begins with a convenient pickup right from your hotel. Whether you're a couple seeking romance, a family on a thrilling excursion, or a business traveler with a penchant for sightseeing, this tour is designed with your comfort and preferences in mind. As we arrive on the Canadian side of Niagara Falls, prepare to be awed by the sheer power and beauty of the cascading waters. There's no fixed schedule. Tell us how long you want to stay and what catches your eye. Step aboard the Voyage to the Falls cruise. Feel the mist, hear the roar, and experience the falls up close. It's the most exhilarating shower you'll ever take. Next, explore the wonders around Niagara Falls. Take your time, capture photos, or just bask in the splendor of the falls. When it's time to refuel, enjoy a leisurely lunch at one of the local eateries. Then feel free to wander, shop, relax, or soak up the natural beauty. Our tour continues with a scenic drive along Niagara Parkway. Every turn offers a postcard-worthy view, perfect for your Instagram stories. Hold on as we make a stop at the thrilling Whirlpool Rapids. Watch water churn and swirl in nature's own turbulent show. Don't miss the iconic Floral Clock, a timeless photo op. Then at Queenston Heights, breathe in history and spectacular valley views. Before we head back, indulge in a tour of a local winery. Taste award-winning wines and unwind in the serene vineyard landscapes. As we conclude our tour and drive you back to your hotel, you'll carry memories of a day perfectly spent. At your pace, your way, with the breathtaking Niagara Falls as your backdrop. Ready to customize your Niagara Falls experience? Contact us to book your private tour today and discover the falls your way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique adventures.